Machines versus free weights getting started.
Beginning a fitness journey brings an important choice. Should you use machines or free weights? Each has unique benefits and considerations. Understanding their differences can help you make the best decision for safety, progress, and enjoyment as a beginner. Let's compare the two to see which might fit your needs.
Benefits of machines for beginners.
Machines are designed for stability and guided movement, making them popular with beginners. Their fixed paths reduce the risk of using improper form and help you target specific muscles. Many find machines less intimidating and easier to learn, which can boost confidence and motivation in the gym when getting started.
Advantages of free weights.
Free weights, like dumbbells and barbells, require more balance and coordination. As a result, they work additional stabilizing muscles and mirror real-life movements better than machines. Free weights also allow more flexibility in creating workouts that suit your goals. Many experts believe they help develop full body strength and functional fitness early on.
Potential drawbacks to consider.
Machines can sometimes limit natural movement and might not fit every body type perfectly. On the other hand, free weights carry a higher risk of injury if used with poor form or excessive weight, especially for those new to exercise. Learning proper technique is key, and some beginners may need guidance at first.
Which should beginners choose?
There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Many beginners benefit from starting with machines to build confidence and basic strength, then gradually introducing free weights as they gain experience. The best approach often includes both, providing variety and all-around development. Listening to your body and progressing gradually is most important.